All right, so yesterday, it's the next day right now, I primed the cab and this primer flashed off really fast and it started to orange peel on me on the other side. I'll show you in a second.
So next task, what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to get this undone, get this window rolled back up, see what the hell that even does, and then yeah, try and get that out so I can put one from another door in there, and maybe try to pop this dent out too. That's looking pretty bad over there. I mean, fuck. I don't even know if it's recoverable. Well, it is. Just how much do I want to do? All right, it's gonna be that, or I'm gonna be switching doors. So today I'm going to loosen this off so I can get the rest of this door latch thing out, and then I'm going to try to fix that broken piece. So what I'm going to do is I'm either going to swap that door piece onto this one, or I'm going to steal the handle from that, and that way I can put my door back on here. Yeah, so not even close, but I stole the rod off it. I'll use the other door. So as you can see, I've got this back on. I've got it hooked up in here, and the door lock's hooked up there, but I did not put the door key thing in there yet. I still have to give it a work there. Our next job is going to be pop this window up and then take the one from that door. All right, so the wing window with the broken handle is out. You know, I could drill these rivets out and then pop this out and then take it that way. I might, we'll see. First things first, I'm going to try to get that one out now. So initially I was going to use this door because everything was good on it. I believe those are factory Jeep speakers. Those are coming out. I got to get out to get at that. First thing I'm going to do is roll the window down. And I'm going to take this doodad trim off and see what happens from there. So a couple of videos I watched show you unscrewing that, and then there's a screw on this, which there isn't. This is all riveted. I'm not drilling rivets out and re-riveting. I'm taking this whole thing, and then I'll get new gaskets ordered, and I'll put those on, and I gotta break the rest of that thing out. It's full of wood chips in there too, if you can believe that. I'm gonna get that out of there, see how we make out. So I just dropped the other one in. I've gotta move this part back here again tomorrow so that I can line that there glass up. But that'll be it for tonight. I'll be back at it in the morning and I'll hammer this back together nicely, and then we can start cleaning up this door here and sanding it and prepping it for primer, masking all that off in there. I'll straighten out this little whoop-de-doo here and right there, and then we'll sand it, prime it, and then I've got to fix this original door with the dent in it. And it's doable. It's quite doable. Not excited about it, but I was going to use these doors. That's not going to happen because of the difference of the door strikers. Yeah, the door strikers are different, and that's not really good with me. Unfortunately, 1980 and up, they have a bigger plate. I don't understand why it won't line up, but that's just bizarre. Okay, well, back at it again tomorrow. So as you can see, I'm starting to get it into place. It's on its track, thank God for that. I've got to install this piece which goes under here, and then I will tighten that wing window down. So when you put this part back together, remember that this is slotted. So one washer will have a slot on it and it goes on before the nut, etc., okay? So I also just changed the regulator on this door. which was broken. I wasn't going to reuse this door. I was going to go to this door, but it's 78 and older, and trying to line up the bolt holes is just going to be a pain in the rear. So I stole its window regulator because mine was rotted. It was rotted right out, as you can see, and it was broken, and it just wasn't working anymore. So it's gone. I'm going to try to fix this door. I have a door skin for the lower half because I have big holes there, so that'll be all cut off and removed. I'm going to first try to dolly all that out. I think it can be done. It's not like punched all the way in. But anyways, I am going to attempt to dolly it. Hopefully. Obviously I got a high spot here. It's got to be tapped down and then correct it gently, very gently. And then try to massage that out and fix that little ridge there. And if it can be done, great. If not, I am going to cut the door skin off of option A, put the whole skin onto the middle part of the skin onto option B, because this door is actually bent on the bottom. Just realized that now. That's not so good. Well, I'm glad I didn't use that piece of junk. And then I got some spare doors to get rid of, and that'll be that. So that'll do it for this episode. Oh, and when you change your regulator, you need to get a new window strip that goes in the bottom of the track piece to make it stick together. There's the old one there that I pulled off, and then I used some window putty instead. Seems to work. All right, so today we're back on the doors. I'm taking that skin and I'm putting it on this door. All right, then I'm going to panel bond it in place and weld it. I just painted up in here a few minutes ago. It's dry already. I'll get started and we'll see how it works. Well, I can't use this one. It's full of Bondo. I'm either going to pound the shit out of that, or I'm going to take this door and steal its skin. This one I know has no Bondo. All right, so rather than grind everything off, blah, 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 I'm just peeling back the inner tabs as best I can because I don't want to mess this door up. I need the skin off this thing. And then I'll clean up this door, and away we go. All right, let's see how much water we took on. After 4 hours, probably quite a bit. Not a drop, Sean. All right. Good morning. So I stole the skin from one other door to put on here. They don't make, excuse me, full door skins. So, and I have the lower piece for this if I need to use it, which I don't believe I do. Anyways, stole the door skin because I didn't really feel like beating all the dents out of this door. I've got a couple little ones right there that I can fix that. The main thing is I'm just going to weld my seam where I screwed up here. And sand it all down and do the filler work where it's needed, and hopefully get this thing primed today. And then I gotta do the inside of the door. All right, we'll see how this turns out. All right, I think I got it. So I'm gonna quickly throw some primer on this and on this door. That way I can see where I'm at with them. I'm using U-POL 2K primer. I'm going to try putting some reduce in there so it doesn't harden up so fast.